called LDC coming in. We offer the option of either they can pick one of our existing courses or they can create their own menu, which they have done today.
They're currently enjoying being waited on hand and foot with some delightful teas, coffees, kind of like continental, so toast, fresh fruit. Then we will sit them down in the cookery school, so it'll be a nice fun day. So, morning guys. Morning. If you're all ready to go, you can follow me. Welcome to the Northcote kitchen. This is the main service area of the kitchen, so all the hot food will be needed from this area. So we have 5 main sections, or corners as Lisa likes to call them. Breakfast service area is just right there, and then just to the right of me here is the large section. He's been making the dessert for Ascot for about 3 days. How many do you actually need, Christian? 800. 800, so we need 800 desserts. Right, I'll take you through now, guys.
So the folders are yours to keep any little notes in the front of them, in the back of them. Each station will have its own equipment drawer, so knives, spatulas, whisks.
They're currently doing the crab ravioli, filling with tomato and chilli and lime. Chopping up all the herbs and bits and bobs, combining that through with some creme fraiche. Some nice picked down crab meat. For the next recipe, what we're going to be doing, prawn toasts. Like what you get from the Chinese, but nice. We cut it into manageable strips, like that. And then just into a nice fine dice. Yeah, you guys can jump up and get started on that. Once you've got your mix all ready in the bowl, I will come around and give you a slice of bread. Right, who wants to get involved with it, rolling some pasta?
So they're on well into making at the minute. 20 past 12 and the champagne's already open, so I think we're having a good time, aren't we, David?
Look at this.
Finish, 1 halibut, 1 trout, 1 chicken, 1 Jersey boil. Sit next to Darla and learn what to do.
Oh, look at that, you see.
Yeah, with the siding spatula, make sure you're proper scraping all the sides.
Actually looks alright, doesn't it? Sitting around and cooked, I'm very proud of myself.
Happy with that.
What's it going to be left with though? An intense bit of red wine.
Wow.
In your bags today, I'm going to give you a little 200ml of our obsession gin. Dan, Ben and Darcy have been absolutely amazing. They've made me feel really, really comfortable in a kitchen. Unbelievable.